Welcome in to another woolly review. Yarn and colours. Amazing. Never heard of the brand, let alone seen this particular type before. It's in the colour cream. DK, they're asking for a size 4 hook. 100 grams for this. Is there any other detailing? Oh yeah, 339 yards, 100% recycled acrylic. All the rest of the details will be down below as always, just above all the details on my Etsy shop, which is full of stitch markers, crystals, pin badges, earrings, the kitchen sink maybe. Okay, now it feels fairly above average, a little bit above average. It feels slightly softer than I was expecting. I'm only going to be able to do a small swatch because this is actually going to, or has gone to, should I say now, it has gone to the winner of Woolly Wednesday in August. So I'm doing a row of single crochet and it's squeaking already. I can feel it on the hook and I can feel it between my fingers. I don't think I'd want to be using it for too long at a time. So let's do half double crochet. Small bit of stretch. Oops, I did a double by accident. So we're not here to judge my crochet skills, we're here just to judge the wool. Oops. Okay, that's our half doubles, and now we'll go to doubles for our last row, and then we'll take a little looky at it. Oh, the squeaking, the squeaking, the squeaking. And there we go. Not bad on the stitch definition. No problem on the skin. Let's see what happens with frog. Ooh. Not much kinkage. Very good, very good. So let's take it off the genie and try and get its clothing back on so it doesn't feel quite so bad. Recycled acrylic. I'm so glad it's recycled. That cheers me up. But what am I going to give it? Would I turn my back on it and say, oh, heck no? No. Would I be, oh, is that the only DK in the shop? Is that all you have? Ugh, fine. No. £2.50 on Lovecrafts, 33 shades. Recycled yarn. And how many was it? 339. So about 220-ish meters roughly. I'm going to push it to a 3.5. I'm giving it the half because it's recycled. Recycled plastic, go for it. If plastic has to be in the world, recycle, recycle, recycle. So half mark for that. Other than that, I'd say it just feels pretty ordinary, nothing overly special. It squeaks, which kind of took a half mark off anyway. But it's okay. It's not bad. I think there's a nice, decent bit of meterage on there. Price-wise, yeah. I mean, you'd hope really that if it's recycled, it'd be a little bit cheaper. But, nah. I'm going to stick with the 3.5. My personal opinion, I'm betting you've got your own. Have you given it a go? Try down below letting us know. And if you aren't already, and you're a yarnaholic, you like tutorials, you like seeing the reviews from Europe. Heck, if you want to go nuts on a Friday and get a little bit of entertainment in, hit the subscribe button. And this time next week, I'll be back with another woolly review. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.